Hey everyone, today we're going to be installing a TrailFX bug shield on a 2021 Toyota Tacoma.
The TrailFX Bug Shield is an ideal addition to any truck or SUV. It provides a stylish shield from insects and other road debris that can cause paint chips or scratches on the hood. The custom design fits to the profile of the vehicle for a perfect fit, and the dark smoke tint complements the TrailFX window vents. The hood protector is also protected by a limited lifetime warranty, so you can be sure that your vehicle is protected for years to come. Here's what comes in the bug shield kit. Obviously, we have the bug shield itself wrapped up securely so nothing happens to it in transit. And inside the plastic wrap is where we'll find the hardware kit. The provided hardware comes with a tab to push up into the provided holes that are already on the Tacoma. And we'll put a screw inside, which will hold it very securely. Here's the Tacoma before the bug shield is installed. It's obviously going to go across the whole front section of the hood right here.
For this install, all you'll need is a handheld screwdriver. You won't need any power tools because we're just screwing into a plastic clip and we don't want to strip it out. So first things first, we're going to pop the hood so you can see all the holes that the clips install into. For this specific application, there are 6 holes, but for other vehicles, check the instructions that come with your bug shield. So the 6 holes that we're going to be using are the 6 square ones. There's 1 on each side and 4 in the middle. So right here, the 4 in the middle, and then 1 on the end as well. These are the provided clips that come in the kit, and they just snap into place like this. You just push them right in, just like that. Next step is to put the bug shield on over the hood and line up the holes so then we could insert the screws.
We recommend starting with the 2 center holes so it stays up easier so you can get the rest on. And don't tighten everything up until all screws are in place so you can adjust as necessary.
Once all the screws are in there, go ahead and make them all snug. So that's pretty much the install. When you first shut the hood though, make sure that there's enough clearance on the headlights and the grille so nothing is rubbing or hitting. And to finish it off, the kit actually comes with bump stops that go on the back of the bug shield here. They go on the underside, so you actually never see them. To install the bump stops, make sure that the area is clean first. So use the included alcohol prep strip. We're literally just gonna take it and go along the edge of the hood here where we're installing. Making sure to hit especially the areas we're gonna put them, which is right here, here, on the edge here, and right here as well. These literally just peel off and then they stick right to the hood. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like a TrailFX bug shield on your vehicle, head over to trailfx.com or visit any TrailFX dealer.